guys, welcome back. We are doing another Disney movie inspired slime. Today we are doing just a blue slime to go with one of the characters for the new 2019 movies. So I'll give you one hint on who it is. He said 10,000 years will give you such a crink in the neck. That's right, it's the Genie. So I picked up these charms. They actually came in a pack. There were a few others that we're going to use later at Hobby Lobby, but I will be sure to link to them below, and then all the links will also be on our website. So you're going to need clear glue. We use Elmer's. Our slimes are borax free, so we use baking soda and saline solution. You're going to use a blue glitter and a navy color colorant. I'm using a soap colorant, but you can use food dye, you can use paint, or a pigment. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add 5 ounces of clear glue into your bowl. And then we're going to add half a cup of water, and you're going to mix that around until the glue is broken down. I'm just going to mix around. Alright. Next you're going to take your color and you're going to add just a few drops. And then we're going to stir that around. I really like the soap colorants because they don't dye your hands. They're obviously safe for skin use, so they're great for kids. And they come in a lot of different colors. Alright, so once you get your Genie blue here, you're going to add your glitter. This is just a regular size glitter. It's not a jumbo or a fine glitter, but I'm going to load it up here. Give it a quick mix. Next, you're going to use your baking soda. You're going to use about half a teaspoon of baking soda. And the baking soda is going to be what thickens your slime. Give that a quick mix. And then you're going to add your saline solution or contact solution. I start with just under a tablespoon of the mix. This will be what makes your slime sticky or not. Alright, so I'm going to mix this. It should start to instantly form a little bit. So you're just going to keep mixing it until you see that it will start to kind of pull away from the sides. Sometimes I try to let it sit for a second just to let the contact solution start to activate a little bit. And depending on how much colorant you put in, you might need to add some more. Sometimes the colorants kind of water it down a little bit. So it looks like we'll need just a little bit more. I can tell it's starting to thicken up here. Alright, so we're going to keep mixing this until it's fully pulled away, and then it'll be ready to knead. Alright, so our slime is kneaded. It's a really pretty blue color. Super stretchy. So it can't be a Genie slime without his lamp. So we're going to kind of get it over here and add his lamp. And that is our Disney-inspired Genie slime. Make sure that you subscribe because we have lots of different Disney slimes coming up, especially for the new movie Aladdin. We will have a Princess Jasmine slime. We'll have a Raja slime. We will probably have an Aladdin slime. I know for sure we have a Cave of Wonders and a few others planned. So be sure to subscribe, and all the links will be below and on our website. Thanks, guys.